What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. First of all, if you guys haven't seen the past video, make sure you go check it out to see the carbon fiber piece that we put on the M5 as well as the details for the giveaway. Now if you did see the last video already, you guys know that I mentioned that I have another carbon part going on the M5, and that's what we're going to be put on today. Once again, huge thank you to FADX Freaks for partnering with me on this video as well. Let me just show you guys what we got. So once again, right here we have the box, FADX Freaks. We'll go ahead and open it. This is my stock shifter, some stickers. I'm pretty sure some of you guys guessed what it is based off of this. Now let me go ahead and open this really quick. And check this out guys. Carbon fiber paddle shifters. These are gonna match up so well with the shifter and the steering wheel trim. They look so nice. Nice finish, it feels really nice in the hand. Let me go ahead and show you guys real quick in the sun. Damn, we're about to put these on the M5. Now before we actually go ahead and install them, we do have to set these up. We have the other one right here, and we have to put them together. So let me go ahead and get the tripod and show you guys exactly what we have to do. So we're gonna go ahead and open the little bag and just pour everything out. You're gonna have two of these pieces, and two little Phillips bolts. So the first thing you want to do is just grab this one, as well as the paddle. I believe it should be the same for both sides, so there's not a specific one that you have to put on. So if we check this one out real quick, we can see that there's a little like hole here for a screw, and then you guys see back here there's like a little groove so something can be inserted, and what we will be inserting right there is going to be this piece right here. But at the same time that you're inserting that piece into here, you want to insert these two little grooves right inside of here. You guys can see right there, these two pieces right here. So let me just put it on and show you guys exactly what it looks like. So we're gonna insert it from the front and then make sure it's going in from the back. It does feel really snug when you put it on, and it kind of clips in by these little two holes back here. I don't know if you guys can see that too good, but yeah. Once that's on, what you want to do is go ahead and grab one of these. You just want to slide it on. This one doesn't clip in from anything. It just slides on. And if you guys see, these pieces will slide on right about right there. So just slide it on. You can see how it matches up right here. Now if we take this off real quick, you guys can see that there's a hole right here. This is where the screw would go on from the back. So let me just put these on real quick. Get the bolts, put it in place, screw it on, and just like that, we're pretty much done. This is what it's gonna look like once it's finished, and this is how it's gonna look on the car. So this is pretty much what we want to do. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other one, and then we can actually go to the car and go ahead and install them. So let me do this real quick. Alright guys, so to get started, to take these off, well, the first thing you want to do is take off the airbag. Now to do that, there's going to be two holes on the side of the airbag. You guys can see one right there. If we go to the other side, it's right there. Now you want to insert like a really thin screwdriver. I'm using this Torx screwdriver because it has kind of like a flat tip, you guys can see, and it's really thin so it fits nicely. But yeah, basically you want to insert it, and while you're inserting it, you kind of want to like push in a little bit and then pull it out. You're gonna want to do one side and then the other side, and then that's pretty much what all you have to do to take off the airbag. Let me go ahead and release the airbag real quick. So now that the airbag is released, you guys can see that it's held on only by one connector, which is this one right there. Now all you really want to do to release it is press down on the top of the clip, and then that will pretty much release the whole connector, and then you can just pull the airbag out. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. With the airbag out, you just want to put it in a safe spot. So I'm just putting it on the driver's side floor. So I actually forgot to do this, but you do want to disconnect the battery before you take off the airbag. I might disconnect it before I put it back on, but you do want to disconnect it because you don't want the airbag going off on you or anything. So yeah, I completely forgot, but yeah, just make sure you guys don't forget, disconnect the battery before you actually take off the airbag. But yeah, so now to take off the actual paddle shifters, you want to go ahead and take off this bolt right here and this bolt over here. The screwdriver that I used to take off the airbag actually works for these, so it's going to be a T20. You just want to go ahead and take those bolts off. So you guys already see the paddle shifter moving. Let me go ahead and take it off real quick. I'm gonna take it off on both sides, and then I'll show you guys how to actually replace the paddle shifters. So I got the bolts, put it in a safe spot where you're not gonna lose it. So it's kind of a pain to take off the connections. You kind of have to take off the trim and stuff. So I'm gonna try to show you guys from the side on how to do this without disconnecting the paddle shifters. And yeah, hopefully it's not too hard to show you guys. Hopefully I can get you guys a good view. So yeah, let me go ahead and set up the camera real quick and start showing you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so if we look at the paddle shifter itself, you guys can see that there's a little plastic circle thing right here. And if we turn it to the other side, it's the same exact one, just a lot thinner. So the side where it's thinner from, you want to get like a pick or a really thin screwdriver and poke it through. And then if we turn it around, you guys will see that it comes out. And you kind of just want to pull it out. But while you're pulling it out, you want to hold the whole thing together. So just pull it out, and then this thing will come apart. Alright, so once you take off the cylinder, you kind of want to just pry them apart. Just be careful because there's a little spring and another little plastic piece that you don't want to fall out. And if it does fall out, just make sure you know where it fell. So just pry them apart carefully. And then as you guys can see, the paddle itself is gone. This is a little plastic piece that I told you guys not to lose. And then you guys can see the spring is still on here. Now, this looks exactly like the paddle shifters that we just put together. So if we go ahead and grab the other one, you guys can see that they look really similar on both sides. So now all we really have to do is grab this. You can see that the spring is still on there. Grab this little plastic piece that I told you guys not to lose. And there's two little grooves on both sides. Just go ahead and insert it into the grooves. You guys will see that it stays in place. And then now you just want to grab the new paddle shifter and then just kind of put it on the same way we took it off. So it seems like it's on right, and if I'm clicking it, it sounds the same as the stock one. Now what we can do is get the little plastic tube thingy again and insert it the same way. You want to insert it with the thinner part going in first, and you want to insert it from the hole that's bigger. Make sure it goes through all the way to the other side. Now everything looks good. If I click, it still sounds exactly the same. So now we can go ahead and actually put it back onto the steering wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it back on over here from the front side. And if we see it, you guys can see that it is now on. It's screwed back on. If we go ahead and click it, sounds exactly the same as the stock one. Maybe a little bit more quiet, but the feeling is exactly the same. And damn, you guys can see the difference. These are way longer. So if you guys look at this one, the bottom ends right here. You can't even see it poking through. And this side ends all the way over here, so you can definitely see that poking through. Same with the top. It ends right here. This one ends up here. So yeah, this thing looks so sick, and you can see the carbon fiber through there, matching with this trim and the DCT carbon shifter. This thing looks so sick. Maybe later I can get you guys a better view, because the car is in the best spot right now with like the sun, so you can't really see the best. But I'll try to get you guys a nice better view later. But you guys can see what it looks like. That's a huge difference. Now all I really have left for the steering wheel is to get a wrap. I would really like to get an Alcantara wrap. So yeah, maybe we'll get one a little bit down the road. But for now, the steering wheel looks really nice. Now let me go ahead and put this one on. Obviously I'm not going to do this one on camera because I just showed you guys how to do it with this one. There's no need for me to show you guys again. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one off camera real quick, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Airbag. Going back on. This feels good. Feels nice. Feels nice, and everything is back on, and this thing looks so sick, guys. Damn, these paddle shifters are so big compared to the stock ones. Damn, they go around like right here, so that's a huge difference. We do have some neighbors out right now that are kind of just chilling in front of their house, so I don't want to disrupt their peace. I'm not going to turn on the car right now. I'll turn it on a little bit later. This is now the third carbon fiber piece that we have on the M5. First was this trim, and then it was the DCT shifter trim, and now it's the paddle shifters. And yeah, I'm just super excited to get more carbon on the car, slowly but surely. And yeah, the carbon just looks so nice. Alright guys, this is the next day now. I ended up not going anywhere yesterday, so I was never able to really show you guys what they look like anymore. But you guys can see what they look like here. They look super sick, honestly. The carbon fiber looks super nice. The only thing is that low-key, I mean, you guys can tell me if you agree with me or not, but I feel like these paddles are a little bit too aggressive for like the regular just leather steering wheel. So I don't know, I might have to do like a cover or something. I really want to do an Alcantara cover, so maybe we'll do like an Alcantara cover or something soon. I'm super stoked with the way they came out. They work perfectly fine, as you guys can see. Like, press the button, everything works fine. I like them. I think they're super cool. These are the same ones that pretty much everybody else goes with, but at a much more affordable price compared to the rest. And honestly, for the price, guys, like, you can't really ask for anything else. They look super good. They look as good as all the other ones that you find for $500-600. Plus, if you guys use my coupon, Anthony Ulloa, just like the YouTube name, but without the space, you guys will get 10% off as well. And you'll be helping out your boy too. So yeah, this fits all F-Series. So if you guys want these paddles, they fit LCI and pre-LCI, same thing. Go ahead and get your guys' paddles in the link in the description. The link is also affiliate, so yeah, in case you guys want to help out, everything will be in the description below, as well as the coupon code. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what they look like. They look really, really dope. And yeah, I'm just super excited with the way everything's coming out. But yeah guys, anyways, I actually just got back from getting a haircut. So that's why I look different in the video, obviously. But like I said, they might look a little bit too aggressive for like the regular just leather steering wheel. So yeah, I might be picking up a cover soon. Look out for that. But yeah, besides that guys, don't forget to check out F80X Freaks. I'll leave the links in the description below. There are affiliate links as well as my coupon code, so you guys can get 10% off and help out the channel as well. Yeah, just don't forget to check them out. A huge thank you to them for partnering with me once again. And yeah, hopefully we can bring more videos for you guys in the future. But besides that guys, I hope you guys did like today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see. And don't forget to join the giveaway guys. All the requirements and everything will be in the last video, so go ahead and check that out. The giveaway will end on Tuesday the 17th, and then on Wednesday the 18th I will choose the winner on my Instagram, or both winners on my Instagram, so look out for that. But yeah, besides that guys, I hope you guys did like the video once again, and with all that being said, I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.